Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of aviation and other interesting engineering milestones. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of autorotation, an emergency procedure that can save lives when a helicopter's engine fails. Buckle up as we simplify this complex maneuver into something everyone can understand. Autorotation is a power-off maneuver that is initiated by the pilot when the engine or some other essential helicopter systems fail. When the pilot enters autorotation, the engine is disengaged from the main rotor and the rotor blades are driven solely by the upward flow of air. And instead of falling from the sky, the helicopter can glide to the ground safely. But how? Let's find out. When the engine quits, the pilot immediately enters autorotation. A component called the freewheeling unit automatically disconnects the engine from the rotors. This allows the rotors to spin freely. As the aircraft begins to descend, air flows upward through the rotor blades, keeping them spinning. The pilot controls the descent by adjusting the collective to reduce lift and drag, which helps maintain rotor speed. By manipulating the cyclic, the pilot can change the helicopter's direction and manage the descent path. Maintaining the right airspeed is crucial. Too slow and the descent rate is too high. Too fast and you won't slow down enough for a safe landing. The sweet spot is usually between 60 and 65 knots indicated airspeed, but can be different depending on the helicopter model. As the ground approaches, the pilot performs a maneuver called a flare to slow down both the airspeed and descent. Then, just before touchdown, the pilot uses the rotor's remaining energy to soften the landing with the helicopter in level position and its nose straight ahead. That's autorotation. It's a brilliant example of physics and engineering coming together to bring pilots and passengers down safely in an emergency. Remember, while it sounds straightforward, autorotation requires skill and calm, which pilots practice extensively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Fly safe and see you in the next one.